Hello everyone, I am Deepika Kundan, I am fee registered mutual fund distributor. In today's video, I am going to explain about the difference between stock market and mutual funds. See, there is many people are asking what is the stock market and what is the mutual funds. For more updates on mutual funds and related videos, subscribe my channel. So, for explaining the difference between mutual funds and stock market, I am going to explain with a small example. Suppose if you are having 1,000 rupees and you are going to a fruit market, if you buy only bananas for 1,000 rupees, then it is similar to the stock market. Here you are buying only one stock, like only one stock related to one company with your total amount. Suppose if you buy different type of fruits like bananas for 100 rupees, grapes for 100 rupees, pomegranates for 100 rupees and few other types, then it is similar to mutual funds. In mutual funds, you are investing your 1,000 rupees amount into different types of companies shares, that is mutual funds. So I think you are clear about the difference. If you are a beginner and if you want to invest in the stock market, you should have more knowledge on that related company, and you should learn about the technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and daily updates of that stock market. Then only you can invest in stocks, but no need of this all things for mutual funds, because in mutual funds there are different types of funds again, like equity funds, index funds, debt funds, overnight funds. But we are investing in the equity funds, which are very similar to the stock market. For investing in equity funds, no need of knowledge about like fundamental analysis, technicals, analysis, anything, because here the role of us will be taken by the fund manager. He will be looking after all the company's fundamental technical analysis and growth of that one, everything. So your work will be done by the fund manager. Again, in the mutual funds there will be two types of funds: active funds and passive funds. In passive funds, your amount will be invested in the index funds, index funds like nifty 50. Then your total 1000 rupees amount will be invested in the nifty 50, means top 50 companies of the India. So if the company growth will, suppose company's shares increases, our fund also increases. If the company shares loses, our shares also, our funds also loses. So it is like directly proportional. Here there will be no role of the fund manager, it will be directly proportional to the sensex. So if you invest in the active funds, it will be done by the financial manager, fund manager. So there will be no role of us, it will be everything will be done by the fund manager itself. So as a beginner, I always suggest you to invest in the mutual funds. For both mutual funds and the stock market, there will be positives and negatives. Comparatively, for mutual funds, there will be losses will be comparatively less. So I suggest you to invest in the mutual funds. I will provide you one link. You can download the app and you can go through the app. No need of investing. First, go through the app and you can know the basic terminologies like net asset value and what is the units, what are the types of funds, which type of funds, active funds, equity funds, all types of funds. You can go through that in that app. After few weeks, then you can start investing for 2 to 3 years. Then you can know about the market situations and market terminologies. Then you can start to invest in the stock markets. So for investing in the mutual funds, there is no need of the demat account also. You can happily directly go and invest in any of the apps. So but just by seeing these videos, don't invest. I suggest you to invest in index funds. Monthly 1,000 rupees you can invest. Comparatively other asset classes, it is very easy to invest in the mutual funds, because if you want to invest in gold or real estate or share market, with you can't invest just by rupees 1,000 or 500, but with a less amount only you can start your investment in the mutual funds. So I always suggest the beginners to start your investment journey with less amount in the mutual funds. Don't invest just by seeing these videos, because there is a chances of losing your money. These videos are only for educational purpose. If you want to start your investment journey, consult any financial expert, or you can consult me also. I will suggest you the best funds based on your risk appetite. I will study your risk appetite, your income levels, and what are your financial goals, and I will suggest you the best funds to for investment. Book a consultation with me and I will suggest you. Just by seeing these educational videos, if you invest, there are chances of losing the money, and you will lose interest, and you will get the negative impact on this type of mutual funds and stock markets. That's it for today's video. For more updates and more videos, subscribe my channel.